Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Fusion Pro if you're on a Mac for free. I don't know if you're aware, but recently VMware was acquired by Broadcom, and ever since Broadcom made the VMware Workstation and Fusion Pro versions available for free for personal use. They did change a little bit the way you can download these, and it seems like people are getting confused on how that works. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you can either go to VMware.com or you can go straight to Broadcom.com. I'm going to start with the VMware.com. In old ways, you go here and you go under products, and then from here you can just download the two. But as you can see now, they have the option here for Fusion Pro and VMware Pro. But if you click on this button here, it will send you all the way to Broadcom. Right, you need to download them from here. And if you don't want to go to the VMware website, you can just go directly to Broadcom and then go ahead and click on this support portal here. And if you have an account with Broadcom, you can just go ahead and log in. If not, you're going to have to register an account. Now, one thing I want to mention here is if you're an old VMware customer and you had an account with VMware, sometimes in the beginning of May this year, you probably got this email from VMware in which they let you know that they just got acquired by Broadcom and that you need to go ahead and take action in order to transfer your account with all of your entitlements over to Broadcom. So if you got this email, all you needed to do is just go ahead and click here to follow on this link, and that was going to take you over to the Broadcom's portal, and from there they're going to ask you to reset your password and all that. Now once you had all that done, your account was going to be set and you're going to be at this position here where you could just go ahead and log into your account. And in my case, what I'm going to do actually is instead of logging in with my current credentials, I'm going to go ahead and set up a new account. So for those of you who want to see how that's done and are having trouble, so all you need to do here is provide your email. So I'm going to say techtutelage@outlook.com. And then here you're going to have to put the text from the image to prove that you're not a machine. So AILV, and then you can go ahead and click on next. Then you're gonna get a verification email. So you're gonna need to go to your email and look for that email that you received from Broadcom. And in that email, there will be a 6-digit number that you can go ahead and paste in here. So this is the number that I got. You go to your account and look and see what email you got from them. If you don't see the email in a couple of minutes, make sure to check into your junk mail. All right, so once you have that done, you can go ahead and click on verify and continue. Here you'll be asked to fill out some personal information. You can put your name here. So in my case, I'm just gonna put Tech Tutelage, and I'm gonna put the same thing for a last name. And then from country, I'm going to put the United States, and then you can skip that one. And then you're going to have to go ahead and set up a password. And it seems like I'm not matching the minimum requirement. Let's see, what does it say? Should not have 3 or more consecutive characters that match any portion of your email address. All right, so let me redo it again. So I'm going to say, there you go. And then you can go ahead and click on I accept the terms of use. And then go ahead and click on create an account. Then you can go ahead and click either build your profile. In my case, I'm going to skip this step. I'm just going to go ahead and click on I'll do it later. And now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and log in. So I'm going to log in with that email. So techtutelage@outlook.com. And let's see if I remember what password I set up, since I had a little trouble setting it up. So I'll go ahead and click on next here and enter the password. And there you go. Now I'm all in. So once you have logged in into your portal, then you can go ahead and click on the drop down here. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on VMware Cloud Foundation. Once you get to the screen here, you can go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and close this, but you can go ahead and click on My Downloads. And then from here, you can scroll down. And if you're on a Mac, you can go ahead and download the VMware Fusion from here. And since I'm on the Windows, I'm going to scroll down a little bit more and I'm going to download the VMware Workstation Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and this will give me all the versions of the Workstations Pro available. And then from here, I'm going to pick Pro version for Windows for personal use, and for here, it could be more specific to the exact version that you want. So I'm going to get the latest one, so 17.5.2. You can go ahead and click on it, and that will bring you to this screen. And here, all you need to do is check the box and I agree to the Broadcom terms and conditions, and then go ahead and click on this cloud here. Then from here, you're going to have to go ahead and click yes. And when you do this for the very first time, you're going to need to fill out this form for trade compliance verification. It's something that you got to do. You can't do it without it. So go ahead and enter your address. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my address here. And you can go ahead and click on submit. And once you have this form submitted, you can then go ahead and click on that little cloud again, and the download will begin. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a minute or two. And once you have it downloaded, you can go ahead and double click on it to get the installation started. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this so we can see what's going on the screen. And on this screen here, you can click on next and then accept, next, and go ahead and click next. Just keep everything to the default. Go ahead and click install. And then on this last screen, you can just go ahead and click finish. And that should do it for you. You can go ahead, double click on it to make sure that it starts. Now right here, again, the Pro version is available for free to you only if you're going to be using it for personal use. Again, if you're going to be using it with commercial purpose, make sure to go ahead and purchase a license. Then you're going to have to enter your license here. But since we're going to be using this for personal use only, I'm going to go ahead and select the radio button up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on continue and then finish. And as you can see, I have successfully installed VMware Workstation Pro for personal use only. And then from here, you can go ahead and start building your virtual machines. I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.